Hey, what's up, viewers? Seth4004 back again doing an installation video once again of Too Many Items, of all things. This one's pretty simple now, the new update. I thought I would just throw this out here for the hell of it. But the first thing you're going to need is WinRAR or 7-zip, which will be in the description. And Too Many Items, obviously. And you're going to need Forage, which will be in the description too. And that's in Minecraft, obviously. And that's pretty much it. Now what you want to do is the first thing you want to do is take Forage, and well, for me, I have to just right click on it and open with Java. You might actually have to go through your programs and actually look for Java, which is pretty simple. Just open programs, browse Java somewhere. Should be somewhere in here. Probably just past it, but anyways, just open it with Java. Install client. Okay. Now it should be installed. Now what you want to do is you want to start up Minecraft. I need to restart it. And it's gonna load. And it'll actually say play offline, but you have to go over here and click over here, and it's gonna say Forage. You want to click on that, and then you just hit play, and this should work. Yep, Forage, play. And what this is gonna do is it's gonna make a mods folder, and all you have to do is drop too many items in there, and it's just done completely. Very simple now, the way they have it. Very, very simple. And you just want to exit back out, and the hard part about this now is you need to find your Minecraft folder. And I find the easiest way to find it is just go into your start menu and search run, and click on it, run, and this is going to come up, and you need to type this in here. This will be in the description as well. And once you type that in there and hit OK, Minecraft should come up, and you should see this mods folder right here. Should be in here somewhere, at least. And you need to open it up and just drop it in, and you're done. Start up Minecraft again, and you will have too many items. Simple as that. You can do as many mods as you want. And I should have, yep, here I can go into survival mode, creative, venture, rain, heal, and there you have it. You have too many items. But until we meet again, YouTube, I'll see you later. Seth4004 reporting out.